Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you doing today?
Okay.
Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be drawing for you guys a cactus
I knew it.
from the desert. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, comment anything you want us to draw in the future, or any suggestions.
And copy our videos.
Yeah, copy our videos and then show us what you drew so we can share it in our next video.
New stuff.
Yes.
Whatever you want, you can do.
Yeah, you can do anything you want in life. Just make dua and do it for the sake of Allah. Bismillah.
Bismillah. Here we go.
Alright, so we're gonna wait for me, okay?
Yes.
We're gonna draw a straight line up, and then you wait for me, okay?
Okay, we're gonna do down, and then like a whoop whoop, and then whoop whoop, and then like a sun.
Look at that straight line, a little slanted. Love it. Okay, now we're gonna do a curve. On top. Nice.
Mine looks like that.
And then now we're gonna connect it to the bottom, all the way down. Yep, maybe a little bit down more to here. So it's like same level. And then now we're gonna draw some arms for it.
I'm gonna do one dig in.
Now we're gonna draw from this side. We're gonna do like a curve up. So wait for me, wait for me. Okay, and then we're gonna curve it on the top. And then come all the way down, like this.
Wait.
Now we do from this side a little bit up here. And we'll go up like this. Wait for me. Okay, stop. We're gonna curve from the top and then meet back down at the bottom.
Okay.
So we're gonna go like this. And then all the way down. Like that. So curve and then down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. And then meet at the bottom. That's it. See? Perfect. Okay, and then now inside of the cactus, we're gonna do some straight lines down.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do from here, but a little curve at the top and then down. So just one straight line down, yes. And then we're gonna do another one from the top also. Perfect. Okay, wait for me. Alright, and then we're gonna just do some on the arms. Straight down, yeah, slowly, yeah. And again. Yep. And then we're gonna do on this one. Yeah, and we're gonna do one more. See, it's looking good. Perfect. Now we're gonna add around it.
Mm-hmm.
You can add little spikes. Let me start, and then you can add as many as you want. You can make it as spiky as you want. Okay. So I'm gonna add a spike there. I'm gonna add one there. I'm gonna put one there. I'm gonna put a small one there. Big one. Okay, go. You can start going. It's a cactus. It's pokey. Well, yours is very spiky and dangerous. Super spike.
Yep.
No bird would want to land on yours.
Yes, they would.
And then they have to take it out somehow. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of spikes. You're giving no space. Tell me when you're ready for the next step. Perfect. See, that's looking nice. Now we're gonna do the bottom desert ground, just like this. Just a part of it, where it's in the ground, just a curve. Yeah, and then let's put a little dots here just for sand, you know. Maybe some of the spikes fell off. Just little dots. Perfect. Okay. And then now let's just draw a tiny sun just for fun in the distance. A circle. Perfect. We're going to color it in and be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. We just finished coloring our cacti. I believe that's the plural for it. Yours looks very good. Looks beautiful. It looks excellent. You have a nice sun there, nice sun rays in the background, and some other cactuses far in the distance. We can color it later on. You guys can draw it in the desert, draw it as a plant. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share our channel, comment below anything you want us to draw in the future, and thumbs up, please. Assalamu alaikum. See you guys later, inshallah.